Good morning, students. Today we will deal with the topic of separating mixtures. Children, we know that the component of mixture can be separated very easily by using physical methods like hand picking, sieving, filtration, etc. And sometimes some special techniques are also used to separate the components of mixture, whether homogeneous or heterogeneous. And today we will be dealing with these special types of techniques, how mixtures are separated. So first we are dealing with evaporation. How can we obtain colored component dye from blue-black ink? Blue or black ink is a homogeneous mixture of, you can call it as dye in water. The component of this mixture can be separated by process of evaporation. Few drops of this ink are taken on a watch glass and then it is indirectly heated. The water in the beaker is heated and steam thus formed will indirectly heat up the ink. The water present in the ink will evaporate and ultimately a blue or black residue will be left on the watch glass. So this residue is dye. You can see in the diagram. And water is evaporated. Now second is, children, centrifugation process. This technique is based on the principle that when a mixture is rotated at a high speed, the lighter particles stay on the surface of the liquid while the heavier particles are forced to the bottom of the liquid. By this process, we can separate cream from milk. When milk is rotated at a high speed in a centrifugation machine, the lighter fat particles, they collide with each other to form cream which stays on the surface, while the heavier particles of the milk are forced to come to the bottom. As a result, separation occurs and the cream is collected from the outlet provided near the top of the centrifugation machine. Children, we have such machine in our lab too, and I'll be showing you when school will reopen. Now next we have separating funnel. This separating funnel is used to separate mixtures which are immiscible liquid. Immiscible liquids are those mixtures which are not mixed with each other. This technique is based on the principle that when a mixture of two immiscible liquid is allowed to stand, they separate out into separate layers depending upon their densities. Now here the kerosene oil being lighter than water forms the upper layer, while water being heavier forms the lower layer. Children, in this diagram you can say oil and water, the both have been shown in two different colors. Oil is shown in yellow color and water in blue color, and in this way this immiscible mixture is separated.